The algorithmic muse, a new frontier in art. Can a machine truly be an artist? This question puzzles many people today. We see computers making striking images, they compose music and even write stories, but is this real, genuine art, or is it just very clever programming? It challenges our deepest ideas of creativity. What does it truly mean to create something? Art has always changed with new technology. The invention of the camera altered painting. Synthesizers created brand new sounds for music. Now, artificial intelligence is the latest tool. It is arriving in the world of art. Is this new arrival a helpful friend? Or is it perhaps a disruptive foe? We must consider its place carefully. We find ourselves at a fascinating crossroads. AI can generate truly stunning visual pieces. It can compose melodies that move us. It can even write lines of poetry. How should we respond to these creations? Is this the beginning of a new dawn, a new era for artistic expression, or something else entirely different? This essay explores AI's emergent role. We will look at how these systems work. We will ask the big question, are they creative? We will also consider the ethical dilemmas. Join me on this journey of discovery. Let us uncover this brave new world, a world where code meets canvas. Art and algorithms are starting to dance. AI tools are now in many creative hands. Artists and designers use them daily. Even hobbyists explore these new programs. They are becoming more common everywhere. These tools can turn text into images. They can generate music from simple ideas. It is a field that changes very fast. New possibilities appear all the time. Consider tools like DALL-E 2 or Midjourney. You type a phrase, a dream, an idea, perhaps a crystal fox in a neon forest. The AI then attempts to paint this picture. It uses vast amounts of learned knowledge. The results can often be very surprising. Sometimes they are exactly what you imagined. Other times they are beautifully strange. These AI tools are not just for images. AI also helps people to write film scripts. It composes background music for online videos. It can even help to design new fashion. The creative industries are clearly changing. AI is a significant part of this change. It offers new ways to make things. It opens doors to new types of creation. This rapid rise is exciting for many, but it can also feel a little daunting. How do these digital artists actually work? What is the real magic behind their creations? It is not magic, but very clever code. It is all about patterns and data. Understanding this helps us see AI's role. It is a tool, guided by human prompts. AI learns rather like a dedicated student. It studies many millions of examples. For creating art, this means millions of images. It looks at paintings, photographs, and drawings. It learns about different styles and colors. It understands shapes, forms, and textures. It is like a huge digital art history lesson. The AI absorbs all this visual information. These complex AI systems use neural networks. You can think of them as a brain that is made entirely of code. They are designed to find patterns in data. They learn the connections between words and pictures. The word sunset often means orange and red. The word forest suggests trees and green. These associations become part of its knowledge. When you give an AI a text prompt, it uses all of its extensive learning. It does not just copy the old images. Instead, it tries to make something new. It blends different ideas and various styles. It is a bit like a chef mixing ingredients. The recipe is the algorithm, the code. The ingredients come from its vast data set. So, the AI is not born an artist. It is carefully trained to become one. Its creativity comes directly from this training. The more data it sees, the better it gets. But is this learning true understanding? Does it grasp meaning like a human does? That is a very important and key question. It touches the heart of AI creativity. Section 4, a spark or a sparkle, the AI creativity conundrum. Can we really call AI truly creative? This is where people disagree very strongly. Some will say, yes, absolutely it is. Look at the novel and unique outputs. They are new and often quite beautiful. AI can certainly surprise us with its ideas. It can generate things we have not seen. This, for some, is the essence of creation. Others are much more skeptical about this. They argue that AI is just mimicking. It is like a very clever, advanced parrot. It recombines what it has already seen. It does not understand beauty or emotion. It does not have intent like a human artist. A human creates with purpose and feeling. The AI, they say, lacks this inner drive. Human creativity often involves breaking established rules. It comes from rich personal experience, from feeling. Does AI actually have any experiences? Does it feel joy or sadness or longing? Probably not in the same way we do. This makes its form of creativity different. It is a creativity born from data, not from lived life or consciousness. Perhaps the word creativity needs a wider definition. Maybe there are different kinds of creativity. There is human creativity full of emotion, and now perhaps there is algorithmic creativity, a new form emerging in this new age. It is a debate that will surely continue. As AI evolves, so will our questions. The nature of art is being re-examined. Section 5. Whose art is it anyway? Copyright and conscience. AI-generated art raises many tricky ethical questions. If an AI creates a striking image, who owns it? Is it the person who wrote the prompt? Is it the company that developed the AI? Or a more radical idea, does the AI own it? Current copyright laws are not always clear. They were written before AI art existed. This legal landscape is now being tested. Another very big issue is the training data. AI learns from millions of existing artworks. Many of these are by human artists. These artists did not always give permission. Is AI art then a form of digital theft? Many working artists are rightly concerned. They see their styles used without consent, their unique contributions potentially uncredited. We need to think carefully about fairness. How can AI be used in an ethical way? How can we properly protect human artists? Some suggest that new laws are needed quickly. Others propose systems to credit original artists, perhaps a way to share any revenue generated. This important conversation is happening now. It must involve artists, lawyers, and tech creators. There are also questions about true authenticity. If art can be made so very easily, what does this mean for its value? Does it devalue genuine human skill and effort? These are not at all easy questions. The art world must grapple with them. Finding responsible answers will shape the future. It will determine how AI integrates into art. Section 6, the Human-AI Duet, a new harmony in art. Instead of AI replacing human artists, what if they could work closely together? This is a very exciting and positive idea. AI can be a powerful new tool for artists. It can help them to explore new styles. It can help them to visualize complex ideas. It can speed up certain parts of their work. The human remains the director, the visionary. Imagine an artist who has an initial idea. They use AI to generate many variations quickly. This could be for a character or a landscape. They then choose the most promising ones. They might then refine these AI images, adding their own personal touch, their own vision. The AI effectively becomes a tireless assistant. It augments rather than replaces human skill. This kind of collaboration can push creative boundaries. AI can suggest unexpected visual paths to explore. It might combine styles in surprising ways. It can also handle repetitive or tedious tasks. This leaves much more time for the human artist, more time for the conceptual parts of art. It could lead to entirely new art forms, a true synergy between mind and machine. This creative partnership is already happening now. Musicians are using AI to create new sounds. Writers are using it to brainstorm story ideas. Architects and designers use it for inspiration. The future might be less about human versus machine. It might be much more about human-machine. A collaborative dance between two kinds of intelligence. This fusion could be incredibly fruitful for art. Section 7. Redrawing the lines: creativity in an AI world. AI is certainly making us rethink creativity. What does it truly mean to be creative? For centuries we thought it was uniquely human, a special spark of divine inspiration perhaps, or a complex product of deep consciousness. Now machines are showing creative behaviors. This is a very big challenge to our old ideas. It forces us to look again at definitions. Is creativity all about the final product, or is it more about the process itself? If an AI creates something genuinely beautiful, does its non-human origin really matter so much? If a piece of AI art moves us deeply, is it not art, regardless of how it was made? These are profound philosophical questions to ask. AI pushes them right to the forefront. The definition of art itself has always changed. It evolves with new movements and technologies. Impressionism was once seen as radical and shocking. Photography was not always considered true art. AI art is the very latest chapter. It is part of art's ongoing story, a story of continuous evolution and redefinition. What we call art expands over time. The impact of AI on the art world will be deep. It will surely change how art is made. It will change how art is sold and valued. It might even change who can be an artist. This is not the end of human creativity. Far from it, I believe. It is the start of a new conversation, a new and perhaps exciting partnership. And